Know that TikTok I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you do. Got that whoa na na na. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a get ready with me. Let's just get ready. So I've already kind of did my hair off camera. I went straight, so I think I may end up curling it before like the end of the video. Let's just go ahead and get started. Hopefully you guys don't mind me filming on my vlog camera. Typically I film on my big camera. I have the Canon 7XI. Girl, I don't know, I got that camera. But I decided to film on my vlogging camera just because I don't know, I just been liking the way the vlog content has been looking. So yeah, hopefully you guys don't mind. Let's just go ahead and get started. So to start, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze. This is going to be my go-to makeup routine look that I've been going for lately when it comes to my makeup. Let's get started. I'm going to take my Anastasia brow freeze. It looks like this. I really do like this product. Highly recommend this if you're looking for just an everyday makeup, everyday brow product for your brows. As you can see, I left mine open, girl, and it's giving very much so crusty. Don't leave yours open because it's gonna make a huge difference in the product. But yeah, I'm just taking that product and just going upward and just getting it into the brows because these brows are a mess. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying my content because your girl has been consistent, okay? And I love it. For me, we love being consistent over here. I've been putting in the work, okay? And hopefully you guys are seeing it. Now I'm just going in with my Precisely My Brow Pencil. My makeup tutorial, it may be a little bit different because I don't have my lash extensions, and I feel like lash extensions just make your makeup hit different, girl. Like, maybe it's just me, but lash extensions on a natural beat is like, it gives what it needs to give, okay? And I love a natural beat. So I'm just lightly taking that product into my brows. I don't like super harsh brows anymore. Who am I? Because if you look at my old videos, girl, them brows was harsh, okay? I'm just lightly taking that product into my brows. So now you guys, I'm gonna take my Dior. This is the Forever Skin Correct. Love this product. Highly recommend. If you're looking for a new concealer, definitely try this out. And the price point isn't that bad, y'all. It's only like $30. Well, I think it's like $36. When you think of Dior, I think of like expensive. I think of like, I'm gonna be paying $60 for a concealer, but no, this one was $36. So I think it's very affordable when you think of like a luxury makeup brand. So now I'm just taking that concealer and I'm just gonna conceal the bottom of my brows. Yeah, hopefully you guys don't mind me filming this on my vlog camera. I think I'm gonna wait until I get a new lens for the body of my big camera because I don't like the quality anymore. Like, I feel like the quality could be better. So I want to work on that for you guys before I start filming on my big camera again. That way you guys can get the best quality content because I don't want to just be putting out, you know, anything onto my channel. But now I'm just taking my finger and I'm just blending that product into my skin and dragging it down. I have a lot of texture lately on my skin. I think it's the I don't know, maybe I'm not drinking enough water because y'all know water is the key to good skin. These are the brows, so I think I'm gonna keep them that way. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting Primer. I've been liking this primer a lot. It has like returned and now it's like my favorite product to use again because my skin has been extra oily and I don't like that, okay? We don't like being an oily mess. And I also think that's because of my diet too. Like, if I ate a lot cleaner, I feel like my skin wouldn't be as oily. So yeah, I'm just taking that onto my face and I'm focusing like more so in my T-zones because if you're like me, like, you be getting oily around your T-zones. Like, all up in here, girl, we looking like a oily mess. Sometimes I like to go on top using a setting powder, but I'm not today, just strictly because I'm just doing this for y'all. Okay, I'm doing this video for y'all. I'm not really going anywhere after this. So I'm probably just gonna leave everything like this. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I've really been loving this foundation for quite some time now. I use this on my clients as well, and they seem to love it, so highly do recommend this. And I also like to mix this foundation with another foundation as well, because it really just, I don't know, it's so easy to use and it mixes really well with other foundations. So love this product. Love that foundation by Anastasia. Girl, they knew what they was doing. Okay, they did what had to be done. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling the vlog style makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna probably get back on, like I said, I'm gonna get back on my other camera once we get another lens, because I feel like that's what we're missing, is a better lens to get like better quality. I'm just taking that Anastasia and I'm just blending it out into the skin. And I'm taking a beauty blender, by the way, to blend everything out. Have y'all been missing my makeup tutorials, or do you prefer vlogs? Or do you like both? I like both. But lately I've been more into more of vlogging. As you guys know, I told you guys, like, I love vlogging now. But makeup is still my baby, okay? Like, we love a good makeup tutorial. And if this foundation isn't like spot on, that's okay. It's like more on the olive side, which I like more warm tones, but this is the only shade I have right now, so we gonna have to make it work. Yeah, I've been feeling the vlogs. Hopefully y'all have been too. I know I haven't been doing much in my vlogs, but I have been feeling the content. Like, we gonna get there, okay? We gonna get where we need to be. I am gonna take just a little bit more foundation. I don't know why on this camera it's looking like extra off, like the foundation is not really matching, but it's okay, because once I finish blending, it'll be okay. And this makeup tutorial is super easy. It's definitely beginner friendly makeup, so if you're new to makeup or if you don't wear makeup often, I really do recommend this look. It's like spot on. It's not doing too much, you know, like with eyeshadows and stuff like that. Now we're gonna go back into the Forever Skin Dior Skin Correct. I'm just gonna take this under the eye on this side. So I'm gonna let this dry down for a little bit before I start blending everything out, and then we're gonna move on to contouring. Your girl loves contouring. That's my favorite, okay? But I just like to let the products dry down a bit so we can get that full coverage, because I'm still a full coverage girl, okay? Even though I like natural beats, like, get into it, okay? We gotta do the full coverage. Not me trying to film a TikTok before. I'm trying to kill two birds in one stone and do a TikTok, and not a TikTok, y'all, a reel. I'm trying to do a reel and makeup tutorial, but that ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Now I'm just blending out that concealer onto my skin, and I think I'm gonna blend out my concealer first before adding my contour, and then just kind of blend around. But this is definitely a go-to makeup look for me. Like, I love looking nice and natural. Now what I'm gonna do is go in with my contour shade. I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Chestnut. And I'm just gonna take this and contour the sides of my face. And really, lately I've been liking to rub it on the back of my hand. For some reason, to me, like, it just gets more warm on the back of my hand before I start really just going in. And I also like to focus it like here on my eyebrows. I know we look crazy, okay? But that's okay. Just keep in mind, like, that's a part of the process. But I'm just taking it on the back of my hand, and I'm lightly spraying my Morphe spray on my hand just to pick up the product. I know it sounds so crazy, it sounds like a lot of steps, which it is. But I just like to do that because I get that contour look that I'm going for. And don't be afraid to like rub a little bit in your lace if you do wear wigs. I love to rub my contour shade into my lace because it just helps blend a lot better. I'm gonna take just a regular blending brush and I'm blending that product into my brow and kind of like across my lid. I like to use that contour stick as a shadow now. And I'm gonna take a little bit more, rub it on the back of my hand, and then blend it across my lid. Have y'all been into reels lately? I've been trying to get into them because, like I said in my vlog, like, that's the biggest way to grow right now is through reels. So I've been trying to make an effort to get into them because I really want to focus on growth on all of my platforms. But my main platform right now that I'm putting all my focus on is YouTube. I want to get into TikTok, but I'm not no TikToking type girl. I don't dance. I don't do none of that. So that's the biggest thing with TikTok. I feel like you need to be doing something that grabs people's attention. And I don't know if I got it in me. I don't know if I got it in me to be doing all these. She got that whoa na na na. If y'all know that TikTok I'm talking about, I'm pretty sure you do. Got that whoa na na na. I only wanna come over, put it on them. I got that whoa na na na. I can't do all that. Like, I'm real chill. If you guys have not been able to tell, like, my vibe is like super chill. So TikTok be OD for me. It'd be a little bit too much. Now I'm gonna take my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. It looks like this. I have shown this in previous uploads. This is the SX03. I don't recommend this shade at all. Like, I got the wrong shade. I'm only using it because I know how to mix it. I just take my foundation because you can see, girl, it's giving very much so not my shade. But I like to mix it with my foundation to get my perfect shade. I'm just taking that just to get that extra coverage and the extra highlight. I like an extra highlighted look, but if that's not your thing, then of course you can just skip over this step. I'm just taking that beauty sponge and blending everything out because with the Kevyn Aucoin, it's already a full coverage concealer, so you really don't need it to be like, you know, to sit so it can get that extra coverage because it's already, as you can see, full coverage. Face powder that I'm going to use is the Huda Beauty face powder, Huda Beauty setting powder. I don't know why I said face powder. And I just like to blend under my eyes first before I start setting my face, because whatever you, like, if you have lines, it's going to set those creases, so you don't want that. Taking that powder puff and I'm just setting the under eyes. Once that is all set in place, I like to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Butter. Yeah, shade Butter. And it looks like this. You probably can't even see the name. And I'm using that same powder puff. You want to be real gentle with this. See? You want to be real careful with this because it is super bright. It's like a brightening powder. This is what I use for brightening under the eye. Next, I'm going to use my all-time favorite. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit. I love this kit, okay? Like, this kit, y'all will forever hear me talk about this kit. I don't care what new product comes out. Your girl is going to use this whole this whole contour kit, because it gives what it needs to give. And I'm also going to be cutting my cheeks with that. What products have y'all been loving lately when it comes to makeup? Because I feel like I haven't heard a lot about new makeup products lately. I don't know if it's just me or am I just out the loop, but I have not been hearing much when it comes to new products. I know I did see Anastasia, they're coming out with concealers now, which is, I don't know how I feel about it. We'll see how it goes. And I'm just touching up the ends of my brows because I like them to be like crisp. Now I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This powder is like my girl. I have been using the wrong shade, to be honest, because this is the medium shade, but I wanted to use the tan, but this is all I got, so we're gonna make it work. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just dust that powder away. We'll kind of just pat it into the skin, and then we're just patting it into the skin just to blend everything together. So the next thing I like to do is go in with blush. I've been really into blush lately. Who is she? Prior to now, like, I've never been a blush girl, like, until recently. So your girl has been loving blush. I've loved blush. Like, the one I've been using is the Colourpop. But I saw this girl, she used orange blush, and I was like, that's actually cute. Love that. So I'm just taking that blush and I'm just patting it up. And I actually like to use like a good amount because it gives you like a real cheeky, like, oh, okay, that's real cute type look. Because prior to, I hated blush. I'm going to do my liner off camera, and I'm probably going to come back on with lashes, and then we're going to finish up with the lips. So yeah, I'm just taking my KKW Beauty lip liner. And this is in the shade 2.5. Highly recommend the KKW lip liners. I'm gonna use Blankety. This is a OG lipstick by MAC. I'm going on top with my Fenty Beauty. This is actually in the shade Diamond Milk, if you could believe it. But it's been used, okay? It's been heavily used. Last but not least, I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray. This is the continuous setting mist. I'm going to go ahead and change just like I would any other video, and I'm going to come back with the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my go-to makeup routine. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, girl. I love you guys so much. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure that you join my family by subscribing, okay? We would love to have you. I think that's it, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna do a giveaway, so make sure that you follow the instructions so that you can win you some money, girl, okay? Period. I love y'all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.